Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. USD JPY Bears in control near 4.5-month low under 105.00. http ntvforex.com News ID 8EFB02. 3 minutes ago. By Anil Panchal. USD JPY drops to the lowest levels since March 12, 2020. Japan flashes softer than expected and prior unemployment rate, upbeat industrial production for June. Uncertainty over the fiscal package, presidential election, and virus woes recently weighed on the US dollar. The second-tier data from Japan and America will join risk catalysts to direct near-term pair moves. USD JPY declines to 104.70 as Tokyo markets open for trading on Friday. The yen pair prints a 7-day losing streak while taking rounds to the multi-day low. While the broad US dollar weakness is the major reason for the pair's south run, the recently published Japanese data adds strength to the pair bears. Nothing for the bulls. In addition to the broad risk-off mood and the greenback's selling, upbeat statistics from Japan also close door on the face of the bulls. Recently, Japan's June month unemployment rate slipped past 3.1% forecast and 2.9% prior to 2.8%, whereas the preliminary readings of industrial production recovered from 8.9% previous contraction to 2.7% versus 1.2% forecast. It's worth mentioning that the U.S. second quarter Q2 GDP slumped to 32.9% compared to 34.1% forecast and 5.0% previous readouts during the previous day. Talking about the risk, the rapid increase in the coronavirus COVID-19 wave 2.0 becomes the key reason backing the traders' rush to risk safety. While updates from Texas become the latest, Tokyo's above 360 numbers also make it the case worth observing. Elsewhere, U.S. policymakers are jostling with the much-awaited fiscal aid package. Policymakers earlier signaled a deal on the unemployment claim benefits and probably mild agreement on the broad package, but news off late defies any optimism concerning the same. Also joining the league of market challenges is U.S. President Donald Trump's push for a delay in the November month's presidential election while citing mail-in ballots. Amid all these catalysts, U.S. 10-year Treasury yields trying to recover from the previous day's plunge to March month lows, also the record bottom, while S&P 500 futures mark 0.50% gains to 3,265 by the press time. Looking forward, Japan's housing and consumer confidence figures might entertain short-term traders before highlighting sentiment data from the U.S. However, major attention will be given to the risk factors, mainly the virus updates, U.S. election updates, fiscal news, etc. Technical analysis. 10-day EMA near 105.60 will precede June month's bottom close to 106.10 while challenging the pair's near-term recovery, if any. Until then, 104.50 and 104.00 could lure the sellers ahead of highlighting March 12 low of 103.08. Additional important levels. Overview. Today last price. 104.69. Today daily change. 0.04. Today daily change percent. 0.04%. Today daily open. 104.73. Trends. Daily SMA 20. 106.69. Daily SMA 50. 107.25. Daily SMA 100. 107.57. Daily SMA 200. 108.27. Levels. Previous daily high. 105.3. Previous daily low. 104.68. Previous weekly high. 107.54. Previous weekly low. 105.68. Previous monthly high. 109.85. Previous monthly low. 106.08. Daily Fibonacci 38.2%. 104.92. Daily Fibonacci 61.8%. 105.06. Daily Pivot Point S1. 104.51. Daily Pivot Point S2. 104.29. Daily Pivot Point S3. 103.9. Daily Pivot Point R1. 105.12. Daily Pivot Point R2. 105.52. Daily Pivot Point R3. 105.74. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.